In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify in just a few easy steps. First, let's head over to Shopify and sign up. If you haven't already done so, you can start by entering your email address, which will be your login credential for your Shopify account. If you don't already have an email account set up, now's the time to create one. Along with that, you'll need a strong password to secure your account. Once that's done, you'll have the option to start with a free trial. You can simply click skip if you're interested in trying that out first. Next, you'll be given the choice to build your website or skip this step for later. If you're here just for domain setup, feel free to skip it for now. Moving ahead, look for the settings option inside your Shopify admin panel. From there, navigate to domains. This is where you can connect an existing domain. Now let's switch gears and visit Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger account, locate the domain you wish to connect, and click on Manage. At this point, you'll need to copy your domain name to use it later in Shopify. After copying your domain name, head back to your Shopify admin panel. Enter the domain you just copied into the appropriate field and hit Next. Once you're there, Shopify will prompt you with records, typically number 2 and 3, that you'll need to copy. These are the DNS settings necessary for the domain to function correctly between Hostinger and Shopify. Return to Hostinger, and under the Manage Domain section, look for the Edit option to make DNS changes. You'll want to select Edit to add necessary records by selecting Add Record. Here, you'll input the type, name, and update to values for the DNS as you have copied from Shopify. Each of these fields plays a crucial role in pointing your domain correctly to your Shopify store. This setup will ensure that when customers enter your domain into their browser, they'll be directed to your Shopify storefront. The connection process might take some time to propagate, so don't worry if you don't see changes immediately. It usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours. Following these steps guarantees that your domain will be properly linked to your Shopify store, providing a seamless experience for your visitors and customers. And there you have it. This simple and efficient process will have you up and running with your very own custom domain on Shopify in no time. Thanks for watching and happy selling.